Your light bulb is lying to you. It's not making light, it's making heat. But your LED, it's doing something wild at the atomic scale. Every single beat, every time you flip a switch, you think you're buying light. But that old glowing wire, it wastes 95% outright. It heats a metal filament till it screams with glow. You're paying for a furnace, not the light you think you know. But here's the thing that no one tells you when they sell you these cheap bulbs. Deep inside your LED, a gap thinner than a hair. An electron falls across it, and a photon fills the air. One electron, one photon, a one-to-one exchange. Billions every second in a space smaller than a grain. That's not a light bulb, that's a quantum machine. The most efficient thing your electricity has ever seen. The color isn't painted on its physics, here's the proof. A bigger gap means bluer light, a smaller gap means rouge and white. That's a blue LED with phosphor on top, absorbing blue and scattering the whole spectrum non-stop. Silicon can't do this, it bleeds the energy as heat. You need a direct band gap for the photons to compete. Now every time you flip that switch, you'll know what's really there. A semiconductor junction doing quantum work mid-air. Not heat, not wire, not waste, just electrons dropping down, converting 90% of power straight into photons.